Hi, lovely. So, today we are going to check the current energies of your partner. This is a part 8 of No Contact series. So, let me check what your partner is actually feeling. So, I feel like your partner actually want to put efforts now. Like he want to come very fast towards you. Like whatever the obstacles were before, like he's not going to complain about that. He want to take initiative now. He's in a mode like he want to work on this relationship. I don't know in which way, but definitely the energy, the moment I can see from the first card is like he want to come forward. Whereas I can see like you are still in the observing mode, like you want to observe the things first, like why they are putting the efforts, what they actually need from me. Like is it just a non-serious thing, like they are not serious and they just want to be make it casual, or what kind, like you are in observation mode, like you want to observe because you don't want, because maybe it might happen like they have hurt you before in the past and you don't want to take their lame excuses this time. Or maybe it's the energies might be vice versa, I don't know. Maybe you want to take the efforts and he's observing. Take it how it resonates with you. And you know what, I can feel like one of you, like maybe your partner is actually coming forward to you, but they are here to explore, nothing with the serious commitment. This is what I can see. He's just want to explore the things, wherever you are actually more mature than your partner and you are actually waiting for some kind of commitment, some serious talks, some honest talks. This is what I can see, like your energies are like that. But you know, you are waiting for something in this connection. You want, maybe you want the closure this time. But I think like he is actually coming very fast towards you. Like he actually, maybe in next coming week, 8 weeks or 8 days, he will definitely put some efforts, because he is not feeling, he's not feeling the warmth you were actually giving in this relationship. He feel like little bit of sadness, darkness, so he is moving forward. Or it might be the chance, like some kind of movement is there in this relationship. Maybe you are moving somewhere or he is moving somewhere, or some kind of energy shift is there. But whatever the energy shift is, I see like for both of you or for one of you, I think a little bit confusion at the moment you are having, like some kind of confusion you are having, like what I am doing in my life. But let me tell you one thing, you are going to start something new. You are definitely, this cycle has been completed. This is what I feel like. This cycle has been completed and you are going to start something. Universe is going to bless you with something emotionally also, like someone is actually coming in your life. When I ask the angels like what advice they want to give you, I feel like whatever you are thinking, they are not, you should always not think the positive way. I think in this way